Ever wonder why some entrepreneurs thrive while others barely survive? It comes down to one critical factor: financial planning. This is the compass that guides your business through the unpredictable seas of the economy. It's about striking a balance between income and expenses and ensuring your financial security. It's about having a clear financial direction and steering your business towards sustainable growth. Remember, an entrepreneur without a financial plan is like a ship sailing without a compass. So you understand the importance of financial planning. But where do you start? With setting financial goals. These objectives, whether short-term, mid-term, or long-term, are critical in giving direction to your financial planning. Short-term goals might be buying new equipment for your business, mid-term could be expanding your operations, and long-term might involve retirement planning or even selling your enterprise. It's all about setting these targets and working towards them. Set your goals and let them be your guiding stars on your entrepreneurial journey. Now that you have your goals, how do you achieve them? One word: budget. A budget is like a financial compass, guiding you towards your goals. It's a tool that helps you track your income and expenses, providing a clear picture of where your money goes. By controlling your spending, you ensure your money is being allocated wisely, propelling you closer to your objectives. Remember, a budget isn't about restricting what you spend, it gives you permission to spend without guilt or regret. What happens when you hit a financial bump in the road? That's where your emergency fund and risk management come in. An emergency fund is like a financial shock absorber. It's a stash of money set aside to cover the financial surprises life throws your way. And risk management? It's about identifying, assessing, and controlling threats to your business's capital and earnings. So, whether it's a sudden equipment failure or an unexpected market shift, you're covered. An emergency fund isn't just a safety net, it's peace of mind. How do you grow your wealth? The answer is simple: investments. Investments play a central role in wealth building, acting as the fuel that drives your financial growth engine. Imagine your wealth as a tree. The more you invest, the more branches it grows, each branch representing a source of income. Now let's delve into the different types of investments. You have stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, and even small businesses. Each of these carries its own set of benefits and risks. Stocks and mutual funds, for example, can provide high returns, but they also come with a degree of volatility. Bonds, on the other hand, offer stable, albeit lower, returns. Real estate and small businesses can generate substantial income, but they require a significant upfront investment. These investments can provide you with passive income, that's money earned without active work, helping you increase your wealth exponentially. Investments are the seeds that can grow into a forest of wealth. Think retirement planning is too far off to start now? Think again. The sooner you start, the more secure and comfortable your retirement years can be. Starting early allows your investments to grow exponentially over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. It's about envisioning the lifestyle you want in your golden years and making certain today that you can afford it tomorrow. Remember, it's not just about surviving retirement, it's about thriving. Retirement planning is the key to turning the golden years into the best years. Feel overwhelmed by all of this? Don't worry, professional advice is always there to guide you. When it comes to financial planning and wealth building, it's okay to seek help. Professionals can offer you tailored advice, personalized strategies, and peace of mind. They can navigate the financial labyrinth with you, helping you avoid pitfalls and capitalize on opportunities. They become your partner in this journey, bringing their expertise to your unique situation. Remember, the road to financial success doesn't have to be walked alone.